Quickly recreate vintage photography inside of Photo Raw using textures, film grain, quick desaturated looks, and darkroom style filters. Photo Raw makes it easy for anyone to mix powerful, creative styles into their images with minimal effort. To create a vintage look, we can utilize any of the 31 stackable and customizable filters that are built into the program. The antique and the vintage filter are perfect filters for adding a vintage mood onto the shot, and because all of the filters are adjustable, we can cater each filter to fit our photograph. Not only can we modify the colors, tones, and grain, we can also blend on textured overlays and borders to really give our photo that timeless feel. The best part about these filters is that they are all maskable and blendable, giving you complete control over where the looks are placed into your photo. From selective masking to protecting specific tones to incorporating blend modes, Photo Raw's effects engine is your one-stop shop for custom styles and unique looks. It really makes it that easy to create an authentic, vintage photograph. Get all of these features and more with ON1 Photo Raw 2021.